In this video, we will guide you through how to download BlueStacks on your PC or laptop. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. To get started, you can use the official link in the description and the comment down below. This is an affiliate link that supports the channel at no extra cost to you. And once that you are on the website, just go ahead and click on download BlueStacks and your exe file will be successfully downloaded just like so. And once that you have downloaded the exe file, just click on it to open the setup wizard. Just click on yes if prompted, and now you will see the setup wizard will now successfully appear. Now you can just go ahead and click on change to change the installation directory of BlueStacks, and just click on change folder just like so, and just choose any folder. After you have done that, just go ahead and click on back, and you can also read through the terms and conditions and click on agree and install. Just wait for the download to complete, as it may take some time depending on your internet speed and your device. And after the installation is finished, it will also check your system requirement, so just be patient and wait for it to complete. And once that the installation is complete, your BlueStacks will launch automatically. The first launch may take a little longer as it prepares the Android environment. After it opens, you can sign in with your Google account and start installing apps and games on your PC. And that's it. That's how you install BlueStacks on your PC or laptop. If you found this guide useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to GuideRealm for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.